Highland Systems is a research, development, and project management company which specializes in development and implementation of state-of-the-art technology into production. Their highly qualified engineering team comprises industry professionals from a wide range of defense backgrounds, specializing in manufacturing of armored vehicles, submarines, and helicopters, including the Phantom multipurpose vehicle and Buggy Hunter Mk200. It also produces Stiletto ammunition, the Fury submarine, and the Trimaran mega yacht. Their latest armored vehicle was introduced at the Abu Dhabi IREX Defense Expo in February this year and has been given the name Storm. The new Ukrainian multi-role armored vehicle, the high-speed amphibious military vehicle, has been designed to get in and out of both water and dirt and comes with a long-range hybrid powertrain, the world's first multi-purpose, hybrid-powered amphibious armored personnel carrier. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at this new, impressive machine that has got everyone intrigued. Before we get started, if you do enjoy this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get more sent straight to your notifications. Time and time again, we have been seeing amphibious vehicles, and most of the time they are pretty impressive, like Russia's BT-3F and the USA's AAV-7. This latest vehicle from Highland Systems is no exception, but we think this one goes just a little bit further. It's amphibious, as mentioned, but it has more to offer than just getting in and out of the water and into the dirt. This vehicle was developed with support from the Strike Group, which provided financial assistance materials and facilities for the development of the first prototype. The company says the vehicle has finished supplied armor. The shock absorbers, which withstand loads up to 65 tons, were ordered from Australia. The electric battery was made according to our drawings at the same factory in China that makes batteries for Tesla cars. A company based in Sharjah made, to our order, rubber tracks that are stronger and more convenient to operate than existing counterparts. A damaged steel track cannot be repaired, only replaced. Our tracks can be repaired by replacing a damaged portion of the track. This reduces the cost by almost 70% as compared to other market brands. So it seems many countries have had a hand in this impressive machine. The tracked version of the vehicle can be fitted with either steel or rubber tracks based on the requirement. The tracked electric vehicle can pass over few pressure-activated mines without activating them, as the weight is spread over 6 twin small-diameter road wheels per side, which results in a pressure of 230 grams per centimeter squared. This all-terrain combat vehicle is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric propulsion system, which can generate a maximum power output of 2,500 horsepower in a Series 2-line configuration. The powertrain includes 2 electric motors with a combined output of 440 kilowatts, with each motor providing 210 kilowatts of power and 4,400 newton-meters of torque. A third motor with an output of 150 kilowatts and a torque of 1,000 newton-meters is also provided to power the Hamilton Jet water jet. Storm runs on a long-range hybrid powertrain. In the hybrid mode, the vehicle will have a range of 18 to 36 hours on road and can float for 4 hours on water. What's more, it can operate in full electric mode for up to 3.5 hours while traveling 90 kilometers per hour and 1.5 hours while traveling between 100 to 140 kilometers per hour. The battery can also be fully charged in 2 hours and 30 minutes. The hybrid system is a colossal 17,600 pounds or 8,000 kilograms in weight. That amount of power allows the Storm to reach up to 87 miles per hour or 140 kilometers per hour on land, and up to 18.6 miles per hour or 30 kilometers per hour on the water. That's around 2 to 3 times faster as compared to larger competitors. It is also capable of submerging 75% of its frame underwater. The maximum reverse speed of the vehicle is 20 kilometers per hour. It can even handle waves up to 60 inches, or 1.5 meters tall. The Storm military vehicle has a ground clearance of 50 centimeters and surmountable rise of up to 75%. It can climb vertical rises on land of up to 60 inches, overcome a 2-meter wide moat, and cross a vertical obstacle of up to 1.5 meters. As mentioned, the Storm is also heavily armored. Featuring armored plating and additional security features, this vehicle offers B6 level ballistics protection, mine blast protection systems, and IED protection up to Stang level 1 or 2. It also has a remote control function, which can run the tank autonomously, thus giving scope for unmanned missions. It measures 5.88 meters in length, 2.87 meters in width, and 2.36 meters in height. The Storm can seat 6 personnel, including the driver, and has a payload capacity of up to 4,400 pounds. At this stage, the Storm is just a prototype. Testing and development will continue from here, and Highland says this process will include a submersible version capable of diving below the surface of water, and a wheeled version, as well as the integration and testing of standard combat modules. Company representative Alexander Kuznetsov has said that demand was looking strong, and Highland plans to move to serial production. If the armored vehicle is at least half as effective as reported, that is close to the characteristics of the infantry fighting vehicle from Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International Defense, then it will surely change the approach to counterterrorism and military operations. Just as one-time SHERP changed the United Nations expeditionary logistics and search algorithms for the Ministry of Emergency Situations. After all, none of the existing models of infantry fighting vehicle has such autonomy and stability. Plus, when driving on electric motors, the only source of Storm noise will be the low howl of rubber tracks. And when the diesel engine is shut down, it will be invisible to thermal imagers. And the use of autopilots of the 3rd and 4th generations will turn it into an ideal war machine. It seems that Kuznetsov's team managed to creatively rework the concept of Ferdinand Porsche that he perfected for nearly 40 years. The Czech inventor was the first to bring the serial implementation of a circuit with electric batteries recharged by a diesel generator, but he could not develop it because of the behind-the-scenes gains in the military structures of the Third Reich. The Kiev designer also faced a similar situation. Even today, the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine has no less leapfrog than in the first months of the anti-terrorist operation. Due to the impossibility of motivating the military and finding funding, Kuznetsov's team did not manage to go beyond the Mule, a riding model equipped only with a diesel engine. So for the creation, testing, and fine-tuning of a fully fledged model, a more substantial basis was required than the enthusiasm of a team of 6 designers, mechanics, and fitters. As a result, in 2020, the Kievians moved to the United Arab Emirates, where, with the assistance of the Strike Group, a defense company well known to our military, they built a fully fledged prototype in 5 months. Kuznetsov has also suggested that he would like to install additional equipment into Storm to make it possible to dive underwater. This, along with weapons, a machine gun, and an anti-tank system, would make this a very unique war machine. At the present time, the only prototype of Storm is still undergoing testing and development, and the exact results of these processes have not yet been determined. It is not known how soon it will be possible to present a fully fledged multi-purpose armored vehicle ready for mass production and operation in the Army. The commercial prospects of the project are also unclear. Electric cars and hybrids are seen as a promising and important area, but armies continue to rely on power plants of familiar and well-established classes. Interest from non-military customers is also questionable. Only a few structures and organizations may need such a specific technique, so for now, watch this space. What do you think of Storm? Could this be the start of the hybrid tanks? Are there any other feats of engineering you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos straight to your notifications. Thanks for watching.